I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter. One of the oldest and most recognized corporate symbols in the world, John Deere's Leaping Deer Trademark has represented the company and its products for more than 135 years. Deere was founded in 1837 and the first trademark was registered 39 years later in 1876. John Deere was well established in Moline by this time. The company was producing more than 60,000 plows a year, in which were commonly referred to as Moline plows because of the factory's location. In an attempt to benefit from Deere's success, the Moline Plow Company tried to mimic Deere's logo. An official trademark was the only protection against copy and deception. Although the look has changed slightly over the years, it still serves as an iconic symbol of agriculture and is well known around the world. John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button